If you wake up every morning and the first thing you feel is pain, you already know what it is like to reach for something just to get through the day. Pills, creams, patches. You have probably tried most of them. They help a little. But the pain keeps coming back because nothing is actually fixing what is causing it. Today, we want to show you 5 things that happen to your body when you start applying black seed oil to your skin every night before bed. Before we get into it, drop a comment and tell us what topic you would like us to cover next. This community is built around people who genuinely care about their health, and we love hearing from you. Number 1. Inflammation drops at the cellular level. Most pain relief works on the surface. You take ibuprofen and it dulls the signal. You apply a cream and the area feels cooler or numb for a while. But the inflammation that is actually causing your pain is still there underneath, still active, still building up day after day. That is why the pain always comes back. You are not fixing anything. You are just quieting the alarm while the fire keeps burning. Black seed oil works differently. The active compound in black seed oil, which researchers have studied in over 2,000 peer-reviewed papers, inhibits the same enzyme that ibuprofen targets. That enzyme is responsible for triggering the inflammatory response in your tissues. When it is blocked, your body stops sending the chemical signals that create and sustain inflammation. The pain does not just get masked. The source of it gets addressed directly. What makes this significant for seniors is that the compound in black seed oil achieves this without the side effects that come with long-term ibuprofen or anti-inflammatory medication use. Regular use of those medications is hard on your stomach lining, your kidneys, and your liver. Over 60, all 3 of those organs are already working at reduced capacity compared to when you were younger. Adding a daily inflammatory drug on top of that creates a compounding problem that you may never connect to how you feel overall. The medication that is supposed to help you function is quietly creating new problems at the same time. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that topical application of black seed oil reduced markers of skin inflammation significantly in human subjects within 6 weeks of regular nightly application. Not in a lab on animal cells. In humans, within 6 weeks. That is the kind of timeline that makes this practical and not just theoretical. After 60, your body's ability to resolve inflammation on its own becomes less efficient. Inflammation that would have cleared up in days when you were younger now lingers for weeks. And chronic low-level inflammation that never fully resolves is directly linked to cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and cognitive decline. Addressing it consistently every night is not just about pain relief. It is about removing one of the primary drivers of age-related decline from your body. Apply half a teaspoon of cold-pressed black seed oil to the areas where you feel pain most. Warm it between your palms first and massage it in with gentle circular motions. Do this every night before bed and give it at least 6 weeks of consistent use before evaluating the results. The biological process takes time, but it is cumulative, meaning every night of application builds on the last. It is also worth knowing that the research on black seed oil is not new or fringe. Over 2,000 peer-reviewed studies have been published on its active compound as of 2024. That is an extraordinary body of evidence for a naturally occurring substance, and it is why researchers and physicians who have looked at the independent literature take it seriously, even if it has not yet made it into mainstream medical guidelines. The reason it has not is economic, not scientific. Naturally occurring plant compounds cannot be patented, which means there is no financial incentive for pharmaceutical companies to fund the large-scale clinical trials that would bring it into standard medical practice. That does not make the existing research less valid. It just means you have to go looking for it yourself. Number 2, joint pain and morning stiffness start to ease. If you have ever gone to bed in pain and woken up feeling like your joints need 20 minutes just to loosen up before you can move properly, you know what chronic joint inflammation feels like from the inside. That morning, stiffness is not just aging. It is your joints spending the night in an inflamed state and waking up still inflamed. And for a lot of seniors, that is how every single day begins, before it has even really started. Black seed oil applied to the skin over and around your joints does something that most topical treatments cannot do. It penetrates into the deeper layers of the skin and reaches the tissue surrounding the joint where the inflammation is actually happening. The compound it contains blocks the inflammatory signals at that level, rather than just cooling the surface. You are reaching the problem rather than covering it. Research comparing the anti-inflammatory action of this compound to ibuprofen found it works through similar biological pathways. The difference is that it does not irritate the gut, strain the kidneys, or lose effectiveness over time the way pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories can with prolonged use. For seniors who have been on daily pain medication for years and feel like they need more and more of it to get the same relief, that distinction matters enormously. You are not building a tolerance to this. You are addressing the underlying biology. After 60, the cartilage in your joints naturally thins and the fluid that cushions them decreases. That makes the joints more vulnerable to inflammation and slower to recover from it. When you apply black seed oil consistently every night, you are giving the tissue around those joints a daily anti-inflammatory input at the exact time when your body is doing its most active repair work. The combination of reduced inflammation and nightly repair activity is what creates the gradual but noticeable improvement in pain and stiffness that consistent users report. It is worth noting that black seed oil for joint pain is not a temporary fix that stops working when you stop using it the way pain medication does. Because it is working on the underlying inflammation rather than just blocking the pain signal, the benefits tend to persist and build the longer you use it consistently. Many people find that after several months of nightly application, the baseline level of pain they experience on waking has shifted meaningfully compared to where they started. That shift happens gradually, which is why it is important not to evaluate results too early. Pay particular attention to the hands if that is where you feel stiffness. Massage the oil directly into your knuckles and the webbing between your fingers. For knees, apply it around the entire joint, not just on top. For the lower back, warm a slightly larger amount and work it into the muscles on either side of the spine. Allow at least 10 minutes for absorption before covering with clothing or getting into bed. The more consistently you do this, the more the results compound over time. Number 3. Your skin starts repairing itself from the inside. This one surprises people because they come for the pain relief and notice their skin changing as a side effect. Wounds heal faster, dry patches smooth out. Skin that had been thin and fragile starts feeling more resilient. Bruises that used to take weeks to fade start clearing more quickly. That is not a coincidence, and it is not just the oil moisturizing the surface. Something deeper is happening. Your skin contains stem cells. These are primitive cells that have the ability to regenerate damaged tissue. In younger skin, these stem cells are active and responsive. In aging skin, they go dormant. They are not gone. They are just not being triggered to do their job. Research published in the journal Stem Cell Research and Therapy found that the active compound in black seed oil appears to activate specific signaling proteins that trigger dormant stem cells to start dividing and repairing damaged tissue. You are essentially waking up repair capacity that your body still has but stopped using. For seniors, this is significant beyond just cosmetic improvement. Thinning, fragile skin that bruises easily and heals slowly is not just a cosmetic issue. It is a health vulnerability. Skin that tears and does not heal quickly is a pathway for infection. Skin that has lost its structural integrity provides less protection for the tissues underneath. Anything that helps restore the skin's repair capacity is directly relevant to your overall health and not just how you look. After 60, collagen production drops by roughly 1 to 2% every year. The deeper layers of the skin thin progressively. The mitochondria inside skin cells become less efficient and generate more damaging byproducts than the body can neutralize. Black seed oil applied topically penetrates into the dermal layer and begins neutralizing those damaging byproducts while simultaneously signaling stem cells to become active again. You are not just treating the surface. You are changing what is happening several layers deeper where the real aging is occurring. Give this at least 8 weeks of consistent nightly application before evaluating the skin changes. The stem cell activation and collagen support processes work slowly, but the results tend to be more durable than surface treatments because you are addressing the underlying biology rather than just the appearance. People who stick with it past the 8-week mark consistently report that the improvements keep building rather than stopping. For skin application, specifically the chest, inner forearms, and neck are areas with high transdermal absorption and are good places to focus if your goal is systemic skin health rather than localized pain relief. These areas allow the oil to absorb efficiently and reach the circulatory system more effectively than thicker-skinned areas. Number 4. Your body's own defense system wakes up. This is the mechanism you have probably never heard about, and it is arguably the most important one for long-term health after 60. Because most approaches to pain and aging focus on adding things from the outside. More supplements, more medications, more treatments. This one works by waking up what your body already has inside it. Inside your skin cells, there is a biological switch called a master antioxidant pathway. When this switch is activated, your cells dramatically increase their own production of antioxidants from the inside. Not from external sources like vitamins or supplements, but from within the cells themselves. This internal antioxidant production is far more powerful and targeted than anything you can consume or apply from the outside because it happens at the cellular level, exactly where the damage is occurring. Researchers have found that the compound in black seed oil activates this master switch. When it is triggered, the cells produce significantly higher levels of their own protective compounds, including one called glutathione, which is considered the body's most powerful internal antioxidant. This internal antioxidant surge neutralizes the damaging molecules that accumulate in aging tissue and drive the chronic inflammation that causes pain, accelerates skin aging, and contributes to disease. You are not supplementing your way around the problem. You are fixing the mechanism that is supposed to handle it naturally. After 60, this master switch becomes less responsive. The internal antioxidant production that used to happen automatically starts declining. Damaging molecules accumulate faster than the body can clear them. That accumulation is what researchers now understand as one of the primary drivers of aging at the cellular level. It is not just the outside of your body aging. It is the cells themselves losing their ability to protect and repair themselves. This is why aging accelerates, as it does rather than happening at a constant rate. By applying black seed oil every night, you are giving your skin cells the signal they need to turn that protective switch back on. You are not adding antioxidants from the outside. You are telling your body to make more of its own. That is a fundamentally different approach, and one that becomes more powerful the more consistently you apply it. Each night of application supports the cell's own defense mechanisms, which build on each other the longer you maintain the habit. This is also why people who use black seed oil consistently for several months tend to report benefits that go beyond just the area they are applying it to. When you activate the internal antioxidant system through the skin, the effects are not just local. They extend throughout your body as the protective compounds reach the circulatory system and travel to other tissues. You are essentially using your skin as a portal to support your body's defenses more broadly. Number 5. Deep cellular healing happens while you sleep. The timing of when you apply black seed oil is not arbitrary. It is based on a specific biological reality about what your body does during sleep and why that window is the most powerful time to support healing. Most people think of sleep as rest, but for your cells, it is the most active period of the entire day. During sleep, your body enters its most active phase of repair and regeneration. Growth hormone secretion peaks in the early hours of sleep. Cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses immune function and slows healing, drops to its lowest level of the day. The cellular repair processes that fix DNA damage, regenerate tissue, and clear cellular waste are most active between roughly 10 at night and 2 in the morning. If you are going to give your body a healing input, this is the window when it can actually use it most effectively. Your skin also becomes more permeable during sleep. The technical term is nocturnal transdermal conductance. In plain language, it means that substances applied to your skin at night penetrate more deeply and reach the layers where repair is happening more effectively than the same substances applied during the day. You are not just applying the oil at a convenient time. You are timing it to align with your body's natural healing cycle. That timing is part of why nightly application specifically produces better results than applying it in the morning or afternoon. This means that every night you apply black seed oil, you are delivering its anti-inflammatory and cellular support compounds directly into the tissue at the exact time your body is most capable of using them. The inflammation-reducing activity, the stem cell signaling, the antioxidant activation, all of it is happening during the hours when your body's repair systems are running at full capacity. You are essentially working with your biology instead of around it. After 60, sleep itself becomes less restorative because the deep sleep phases, where most of this repair work happens, become shorter and less frequent. That makes it even more important to support the repair processes that do happen during those windows as effectively as possible. Applying black seed oil before bed is one of the simplest ways to give your body's nightly repair cycle the support it needs to work as effectively as possible given the time it has. Use cold-pressed unrefined black seed oil. Heat processing destroys the active compounds, so look for cold-pressed on the label. Apply it every night before bed without skipping. Consistency over time is what produces the results. Give it a minimum of 8 weeks before deciding whether it is working for you. Biological change is slow, and anyone who tells you otherwise is not being honest with you. But when it does happen, it tends to be lasting because you are changing the underlying biology, not just managing symptoms on top of it. 5 things. Inflammation drops at the cellular level. Joint pain and morning stiffness start to ease. Your skin begins repairing itself from the inside. Your body's own defense system wakes up. And deep cellular healing happens during the hours when your body is most capable of doing it. 1 oil. Applied every night before bed. That is the whole protocol. No complicated routine, no expensive supplements, nothing you have to order from somewhere obscure. Cold-pressed black seed oil is available in most health food stores and online. Look for cold-pressed unrefined on the label and, if possible, a product that has been third-party tested and discloses its active compound content. Quality matters here because lower quality versions that have been heat processed contain significantly less of the active compound that makes this work. If you are currently on blood thinners or high-dose aspirin, speak with your doctor before starting. The active compound has mild blood-thinning properties that are safe for most people, but worth discussing if you are already on medication that affects clotting. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried black seed oil before? Or are you going to start tonight after watching this? Tell us in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe so you never miss what we cover next. Thanks for watching.